The Courage of Mike Aaron. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful town by the river, lived a young man named Mike Aaron. He was not the strongest, nor the richest, but he had something greater, a brave and kind heart. One stormy evening, heavy rain poured endlessly. The river began to rise, flooding the streets. People were running, screaming for help as the water grew higher and stronger. Amid the chaos, Mike Aaron saw a little girl trapped in her house, crying by the window as the water reached her knees. Without thinking twice, Mike tied a rope around his waist, handed the other end to his friends, and shouted, "Hold this tight! I'll bring her back!" He swam through the cold, rushing water, fighting against the current. His arms burned, his lungs screamed for air, but he didn't give up. When he reached the girl, he smiled and said, "Don't be afraid, I'm here." Carefully, he wrapped her in his jacket, held her close, and together they made it back to safety. The crowd cheered and tears filled everyone's eyes. From that day on, Mike Aaron was not just an ordinary young man. He became a symbol of heroism, a reminder that true heroes don't always wear capes. Sometimes they wear courage in their heart and kindness in their actions.